What motivated you to become an entrepreneur?
At first, I was motivated to be financially stable and also to have control over my time and decisions.
Naisip ko kasi na magkaroon ng kahit maliit na business dito lang din ako sa bahay para makatulong ako at para kumita kahit konti lang para pandagdag baon na rin sa mga bata.
What type of preparations did you make before you engaged in this type of business?
At first, this was really just my hobby, and as my interest grew, I just watched different videos of creators who are really engaged already in this type of business, and I do attended seminars and tutorials also.
To this small business like sari-sari store, of course, yung unang-unang preparation mo is money. Nag-ipon ako ng pera para sa pamumulan ko dito. And pangalawa, of course, yung technique kung paano kumita sa sa business ko.
What are your skills and characteristics that are important for your present business?
I do have, I think, a strong communication skills to attract customers, and currently I am graduated in business administration, major in marketing management, also to gain more skills and knowledge about sustaining a business.
Isa sa mga characteristics siguro ng isang business owner is maging masipag at matyaga. Ano man yung mga struggle na darating sa business mo is continue lang.
How did you solve your business-related problems during the early years of your business operations?
At first, I made sure that I listened to customer feedback and used it to improve my products and services. And also, I make sure to have this continuous learning and improving my business. I always attend seminars and tutorials also. I always watch them.
Nasa-solve namin yung problem. Tulad ng problem na minsan, konti lang yung kita, yung kinikita ng tindahan. Kasi may mga season talaga na malaki yung kita, may season na maliit lang yung kita. Yun ang sinasolve namin na minsan mag-iisip kami ng paraan para mas maging mabenta yung mga products na naririto.
What are your best business practices that you can share with many aspiring students like me?
I will give you four. For those students who wanted to have their own business, at first, always be consistent in doing a quality of work, or you wanted to be a product or service. Second one is always listen to customers' feedback for you to improve your products. And third one is always prioritize customer satisfaction. And the last one is keep on learning, keep on improving everything about your business. That's all.
Para sa mga estudyante at nag-aaral,